In this video, I will show you how can you create a new account in Brawl Stars with Super ID. So first up, you will need to create your account with your Gmail and you will be receiving a code for activation. After that, you'll need to go here on the settings tab and you will want to click here on the Supercell ID. Here you will go to the settings. You will need to scroll down until you will find this tab switch account. Click on it and here you will need to add your second account here. So click in login to Supercell ID, continue. Right now you will add your email of that account and you will need to add the code verification from email and you are good to go. Well, I hope that this video will help you guys and we will see in the next videos.